In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail from Capsule CRM. If you're switching email accounts, troubleshooting sync issues, or simply want to stop automatic logging from Gmail, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect. Unlinking stops new emails from syncing for your user in Capsule, but it won't remove any messages or notes that have already been saved to your records, so your existing history stays intact. First, sign into your Capsule CRM account the way you normally do. Give the dashboard a moment to load so all your menus are available. You'll access the option to disconnect Gmail from your personal settings, so everything you change applies only to your own mailbox. Next, open your account menu. Look toward the top of the screen for your account or profile name and click it to reveal the drop-down menu. This is the quickest way to reach your personal settings without digging through admin areas. From that menu, choose My Preferences. This page is your hub for user-level options, things like your profile details and connected services. If you're managing multiple tools in Capsule, it's helpful to remember that email connections live here under your own preferences. Inside My Preferences, find and select My Mailbox Connections. This section lists any email accounts you've linked to Capsule. If you use more than one mailbox, you'll see each connection labeled, making it easy to confirm you're working with your Gmail account and not a different provider. Locate your Gmail connection and click Disconnect. Capsule may prompt you to confirm this is just to make sure you're intentionally stopping the sync. Go ahead and confirm. After disconnecting, Capsule will no longer pull in new emails from Gmail for your user. Your contacts, opportunities, and previously captured email threads will remain available, and you can still log emails manually if needed. A few tips before you wrap up. If you have multiple mailboxes listed, double-check you're disconnecting the correct Gmail address. If the disconnect button isn't visible, it could mean the mailbox isn't currently linked for this user, or your page needs a quick refresh. Also, if you plan to reconnect later, perhaps to a different Gmail account, you can return to the same My Mailbox Connections area and add it again when you're ready. That's it. Your Gmail is now unlinked from Capsule CRM. You've stopped the automatic sync while keeping your past records safe. If you found this helpful and want more Capsule how-tos, follow along for future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.